Conquer your tomorrows by getting the right and relevant career guidance today. This message is brought to you by Career Corner, a division of One Nation Youth Development, moving South Africa forward.
Reporting live, Tikhabeti Mnanzi in UJ with my main man. Sir, we're doing a Career Corner here talking about careers. What is your name and what is it you're studying here in UJ?
Oh, thank you so much, sir. My name is Mngadi Stembi, so I'm doing Bachelor of Accounting. I'm a second year student.
Second year student doing accounting?
Yes.
Okay,
accounting.
okay. Let me just get straight to the point. How was your accounting in high school?
Accounting was much easier in high school. You know? I obtained 97% in it.
Nice.
And mathematics, business studies, I did those core subjects. So it was not that challenging as much as it is now.
Oh, it's challenging right now.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can. Okay, cool. And how was your maths? Because I know, did you do pure maths for you to be here, or did you do a maths lit?
Oh, I did pure maths. I also obtained 100% in.
Oh, you got 100% pure maths.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, it comes proud of you. 100%.
Yes.
Okay. What can you say to a kid who wants to come and study accounting, stuff that they need to expect? You already said it's kind of difficult because I feel like the training needs to start in high school. I feel like the mentality for you to get to okay, cool, I want to be an accountant.
Yes.
What can you say to a person who wants to come and study accounting here, the attitude they should possess, you've already told us about your marks, how their attitude should be for them to exist in UJ before we end?
Okay, so firstly, you have to actually develop the mentality of being an accounting student. An accounting student is different from doing other courses, which I don't want to mention names, but it starts with the mentality being determined on what you want. For example, you also have to develop it in high school. For example, the basics, how to debit this, how to credit this. For example, if you are someone who didn't do accounting, you might find it difficult. You just have to be a determined student and actually maintain that mentality to focus.
Number one. Okay, so like we told you in the beginning of this thing, thank you so much for your time. First of all, I told you in the beginning of this thing, we're trying to make a movie. So we're looking for a sponsorship from this company called ProCabs. ProCabs is a new e-hailing service. They just launched on the 1st of November. You can start requesting them now. Download the ProCab on your thing. They're a competitor for Uber and Bolt. They're trying to make things a bit safer for the riders and the drivers. So can you please shout about ProCab right now? Do you mind just saying, Mwah, ProCab?
Mwah, ProCab.
Mwah, Career Corner.
Mwah, Career Corner.
Conquer your tomorrows by getting the right and relevant career guidance today. This message is brought to you by Career Corner, a division of One Nation Youth Development, moving South Africa forward.